Total station surveyors in Noida Sector 50 play a crucial role in the construction and development of various projects in this area. With the advancements in technology, surveying has become more accurate and efficient, thanks to the use of total stations. A total station is a combination of an electronic theodolite, an electronic distance meter, EDM, and a microprocessor. It enables surveyors to measure angles, distances, and elevations with high precision. In Noida Sector 50, where there is rapid urbanization and construction activities taking place, the services of total station surveyors are in high demand. One of the key benefits of using total stations in surveying is their ability to provide accurate measurements. The precise measurements obtained from total stations ensure that the construction work is carried out with precision and accuracy. This is especially important in a place like Noida Sector 50, where there are numerous commercial and residential projects being developed simultaneously. Total station surveyors can provide accurate data on land boundaries, topography, and other important aspects that are crucial for the successful completion of any construction project. Another advantage of using total stations is their ability to streamline the surveying process. With the use of total stations, surveyors can collect data quickly and efficiently. The data collected by total stations can be transferred to computer software for further analysis and interpretation. In addition, the use of total stations eliminates the need for manual calculations, reducing the chances of errors in measurement. SCON design, which stands for Site Construction Design, plays a crucial role in ensuring that the construction project is well planned and executed. SCON design involves creating detailed plans and drawings that outline the layout, dimensions, and specifications of the project. In Noida Sector 50, total station surveyors are essential to the development and building of many different projects. Total stations have helped surveying become more precise and effective as a result of technological developments. An electronic theodolite, an electronic distance meter, EDM, and a microprocessor are components of a total station. Surveyors can use it to make extremely accurate measurements of angles, distances, and elevations. Total station surveyors are in high demand in Noida Sector 50, which is undergoing fast urbanization and development activity. The capacity of total stations to produce precise measurements is one of the main advantages of employing them in surveying. Construction work is carried out accurately and precisely thanks to the precise measurements collected from total stations. This is crucial in areas like Noida Sector 50, where several commercial and residential projects are being built at the same time. Land borders, topography, and other critical details that are essential for the successful completion of any construction project can be accurately determined by total station surveyors.